Take a look at Clearwater Beach right here. A little cloudy out there. Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins is tracking what we can expect as we get ready for the weekend. What, hot, humid, rinse, repeat?
All right, back to you. I'm going to go get some lunch. I'll see you guys later. That's basically what it is. What we've seen lately is kind of what will continue. I do think it'll be a touch drier for both Saturday and Sunday, but the pattern doesn't really change anything. Midday, we'll look for a pop-up shower storm along the coast, and then we'll push everything inland. You can see we still have quite a few clouds out there right now. That's because of the rain that we had from this morning and some showers that are offshore. But we're going to see some holes in that. Now at 84 degrees with a dew point of 75, we're going to get even warmer, and it's going to feel even warmer as we move into the afternoon hours. Now, let's talk rain chances this afternoon. Let's go over the weather wall, talk about the radar that we're seeing out there now. As I showed you at the top of the show, it's really quieting down compared to what we had earlier this morning. You can see some showers exiting Polk County. Some real light showers now moving onshore for Hernando County, southern Citrus County. Most of that will fall apart pretty quickly, but a sprinkle will certainly make the US 19 corridor there. This one's going to be close. Three Rooker Island right there. That's going to get up towards Newport Richey. Just a real quick light sprinkle. That's it. Same thing that's falling apart over Fox Lee right now, and that's continuing to fall apart as it moves eastward across Manatee County. So not a lot of rain out there now. Some breaks in the clouds. Look at these clouds finally thinning out. We still have some headed our way. This is what's coming over Tampa right now, but we will see more sunshine. This batch of showers and storms, I think it's in here. The models aren't doing much with it, but some of it will, especially for Citrus, Hernando, and parts of Pasco County, 3:30, 4:30, 5 o'clock this afternoon. We'll be watching for some scattered showers. Don't cancel plans at this point, but certainly some scattered showers. Most areas in the lower to mid 80s. It's 90 already in Riverview, 89 in Lakewood Ranch. You can see where it hasn't rained a lot today. They warmed up quickly. This is this afternoon around 7:30. Notice Highlands County. Yeah, I do expect some storms, and some of those could be on the strong side. Meanwhile, here comes that batch trying to push in for our northern county. So we're talking 7:30, 8:30, 9 o'clock tonight. A few scattered showers and storms along the coast. The best chance is going to be for those inland locations. Now, the weekend, this is tomorrow morning. We start off nice, quiet. Right around lunchtime, pop-up showers along the coast. They push inland. That is just about it. So rain chances are coming down. Look at this big rotation, this big counterclockwise flow of a low pressure sitting there. That's why we've had this pattern. This is Wednesday of next week, Thursday, Friday. Another one takes its place. The pattern doesn't change. We usually flip-flop from a west wind to an east wind in the summertime. We haven't flopped. We've flipped, but we haven't flopped yet. And it's going to take, I think, probably till the first week of July before we start to get easterly winds back in here. So forecast means more of the same, upper 80s to near 90, scattered showers and storms, just a few out there this afternoon and the evening. I think inland locations, especially Highlands County, will have a better chance for that. Boating forecast looks good. Southwest winds 5 to 10 knots, 2-foot seas. Still have a little bit of swell rolling in there for the surfers. There's not a lot left over. There's Saturday's planner. Looks very similar, but look at this 30 to 40% chance for rain, and that's saying a lot. The highest chances will be for inland locations. So the Pride Parade for tomorrow evening, look at that. That's good. Only a 20% chance for a shower and mid to upper 80s and slowly cooling. And then the street festivities as we get into Sunday afternoon are looking good, but that's going to be a little bit warmer. It says 87. I think we'll briefly hit about 90 degrees. So it is going to be warm, but only a 20 to 30% chance for a shower along the coast. All right, here's the tropics. Brett is falling apart in the Caribbean. Cindy will miss the Caribbean islands. That's good news, and I'm not worried about the other waves. That's a look at Brett right now, and there's just not a whole lot left of it. The center is way out here. There's no convection around it. Shear is taking place, and that should continue to push it back down. So there's the forecast track falling apart. As we're trying to say, we're not going to have to worry about it. Not at all, right? As Courtney was saying in the commercial break. And then this is Tropical Storm Cindy. It's there. There's not a whole lot to it. It's a rather small system, but even if it does move to the north and the west, it's still not going to affect these northeast islands, and it'll stay out to sea. Tropics very active, just not doing much for us here, that's for sure. There's that 7-day forecast, and you know, Courtney, as we get in the next week, it looks pretty similar. West winds basically all week long, very warm, very humid.